everybody, I'm back again. I'm going to make green banana soup with peas and potatoes. Here I have annatto oil with garlic already nicely caramelized, and I'm going to add a pinch of cumin, and I'm going to add some water. Alright, so I add 4 cups of water. I'm going to wait until that boils. In the meantime, I'm going to cut my green bananas. I stick them in the fridge so they don't look that green anymore. So I'm going to peel them and wash them and cut them up in squares. Alright, so I have my banana here, so all I do is just make a cut in the middle and then turn it and make a cut again in the middle. So it's like a cross, right? Crisscross. And just start cutting like so. Alright, so that's how I cut it. Alright, so now I'm going to add my green banana, since it's already boiling. Then we're going to add salt to taste, half a cup of green peas. Alright, so after putting the green plantain, I'm going to put immediately the potatoes. Okay, now we're going to chop some cilantro. Let that boil until the green bananas are almost disintegrating or melting, however you want to call it. So I'll be back in maybe 10 minutes. I'll let that boil for 10-15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna just put the cilantro already, since it's already boiling, so might as well put the cilantro and let all that flavor penetrate in the soup. If you don't want to use water, you can just use vegetable broth. It's all up to you. You're the boss of your own kitchen. Okay, so once I stir that up, I'm going to leave that to boil for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to add 1 full cup of coconut milk. Okay, so it's been boiling for 7 minutes and it's already, you can see it's thickening up. Really cooks fast, and that's why I put the potatoes after, because I want it to kind of melt and disintegrate a little bit, make my broth a little thick. And also I'm going to add half a cup of fava beans. They're frozen, so I have here fava beans. If you don't know what they are, I think I uploaded videos on this. So that's all I'm going to add, just half a cup. The reason I put this at the end is because the fava beans cook really fast, so I don't want it to like overcook. Alright, so I'm going to leave that there for another 7 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so it's already past 7 more minutes. Now I'm going to do, oh how beautiful that looks, it's just gorgeous. It's a hearty soup for a nice cold weather like today. Okay, so now I'm going to add my cup of coconut milk. Usually I add that at the end all the time. Call it, I don't know, this is the way I learned from my mom, or actually my grandma, because my mom was not a young lady that liked the kitchen that much. Once it starts to boil, then I'll just turn off the stove and serve. That's all to it, my friends. This nice yummy soup. Now the fava beans is optional. We usually do it just the peas and the potatoes and the green bananas, but my hubby loves the fava beans, so I decide to add a little bit of fava beans. Okay, so now once that starts to boil, I'll just turn off the stove once it gives a nice hard boil. Alright, so now time to serve. Turn off the stove and serve. Okay, my lovely friends, here's the results of this delicious soup. I hope you try it out. Comment below and let me know how you did it different and if you liked it or not. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't, thumbs down. Whichever one, it will do fine. Subscribe if you're new, share the video, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching.